We continuously see enterprises innovating and establishing new business models in the market. One example are business models built around subscription, usage-based scenarios and complex B2B billing and revenue management processes. When implementing these business models, enterprises need to have business processes in place to support multifaceted scenarios involving multiple employees, customers, and local authorities. And it is critical that each step of this business process is transparent to stakeholders and compliant with local regulations and mandates. For enterprises operating in multiple countries, regulatory compliance can be complex and dynamic, and localized software solutions are needed to operate successfully. To enable scalable digital business scenarios across countries and industries, SAP Billing and Revenue Innovation Management, in short SAP BRIM, can be used. SAP BRIM offers localized content and functionality to help enterprises operate globally and be compliant locally for electronic invoicing, tax, statutory reporting and payments. Support for new and evolving regulations affecting these processes is provided for the lifespan of the SAP solution, offering enterprises regulatory relief as a service and enabling them to focus on strategic differentiators for their business. To illustrate how SAP Globalization Services supports compliance in SAP BRIM, let's consider a usage-based business scenario within Europe. Maria lives in Germany and uses car sharing from Brussels Car, which is the Belgian enterprise, and pays for individual hours driven. Each time she uses the car, a billable item will be created for which local regulations must be observed. Brussels Car needs to send compliant electronic invoices, calculate taxes correctly, submit reports to Belgian authorities, and communicate with banks to process payments. At Brussels Car, several business roles participated in the end-to-end billing to cash scenario, which needs to comply with local requirements. Ashley, the invoicing specialist, is the one responsible to trigger the invoicing process. Each time Maria is using the car, a billable item is created. The individual items are combined, and a converged invoice is created. Tax is calculated, and the electronic invoice is generated automatically in a format, as per the regulations, submitted via the PEPAL exchange service, and is finally sent to Maria. At month-end, Tom, the general ledger accountant, needs to run and submit statutory reports to the legal authority. For high-volume businesses, the reports read contract accounting data. Tom is also able to drill down to the underlying accounting document in contract accounting to analyze the details of the invoices sent to Maria, in case needed. Louis, from the administration department, collects the payments of the invoices. He runs payment reports to identify open items and sends payment media in the required country-specific format to the bank. The bank sends back the bank statement once the invoice has been paid, and the system can now reconcile their open items. More information about SAP BRIM and localization, go to help.sap.com.